Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the War Games Part 2 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To clear this mission, you need to fulfill 3 requirements: hack 5 secure crates, open 15 orange military chests, and get 20 kills at the military base. It can be a bit complex and time-consuming, but with a little patience, you will get it done easily. First, let us look at finding the crates and chests. I recommend joining an active server with around 10 or more players. Head straight over to Fort Emberreach. In these populated servers, you will be able to spot the orange military chests scattered around the area. Go ahead and open 15 of those. Along with the chests, you will also find the secure crates in the same area. You need to hack 5 of these secure crates in total. Finally, for the 20 kills at the military base, you can get a friend to help speed things up. Have your friend continuously spawn and head over to the fort area so you can knock them down 20 times to fill up your kill tracker. Once all 3 tasks are complete, head over to the NPC Sir B, turn in the mission and claim your rewards. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.